Hello, crypto enthusiasts. Prepare for a thrilling event that combines the thrill of Bitcoin trading with the excitement of the FIFA Women's World Cup. Bitget welcomes you to the FIFA Women's World Cup Prediction Gala 2023. And in today's video, we're going over this wonderful event where you can win up to $100,000 in prizes. The FIFA Women's World Cup Prediction Gala 2023 is more than simply a prediction event, it's your opportunity to win big with incredible prizes. Prepare yourself for the chance to win a share of a whopping $100,000 prize pool. Yes, you read that correctly, $100,000 is up for grabs. The thrills don't stop there. Your forecasts could significantly increase your potential prizes. Starting with a 1x multiplier, each successful prediction doubles your multiplier, allowing you to earn even more rewards. With 8 prediction rounds throughout the event, you have numerous chances to showcase your prediction skills. Whether you're a football aficionado or a crypto expert, this gala is tailor-made for everyone. Consider competing against others, each with their own multiplier. The clever prize calculation of Bitget ensures fairness. If, for example, users A, B, and C participate with multipliers of 2, 4, and 8, user A could potentially walk away with a sizable portion of the prize pool, say, 14,285 USDT. The strategy is genuine, and the benefits are palpable. Engage, network, and become a part of the worldwide Bitget community via platforms including as Twitter and Telegram. Share your thoughts, connect with other aficionados, and spread the word. Make well-calculated predictions, maximize your multiplier, and secure your spot among the top winners. It's not just luck, it's a game of skill and strategy. Participating in the FIFA Women's World Cup Prediction Gala is as simple as a goal kick. Create an account on Bitget and trade at least 1 USDT. That's your ticket to the prediction game. Make sure you're qualified for the prizes by completing your KYC before the gala. Your ticket to potential prizes. As matches approach, predictions become available 72 hours before kickoff. Make your predictions, enjoy the thrill, and watch your multiplier increase with each correct prediction. Accurate forecasts result in larger incentives. Increase your chances of winning a big portion of the enormous prize pool. Ladies and gentlemen, the FIFA Women's World Cup Prediction Gala 2023 is your ultimate opportunity to unite your passions for crypto trading and football, all while winning big. Don't miss out on this extraordinary event. For more details, check out the link below. Enjoyed what you've seen? Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and stay tuned for more exhilarating updates. This is Alexander, signing off. See you at the Prediction Gala. Thank you for being here. Until next time, keep those predictions sharp, and your crypto game even sharper. Catch you later.